I know revision can be a pain in the gas, but today I'm going over some really easy, quick tests to identify common gases. This is episode 2 of identifying common gases, so make sure you check out the previous one to get up to speed. But there are a few more quick tests you need to learn for your GCSE chemistry exam, so let's dive in. Testing for chlorine. Basically, to test for chlorine, we take a piece of damp litmus paper and we put it into the test tube. And if the gas is chlorine, the litmus paper will bleach and change colour from red to white. So in the presence of chlorine, damp litmus paper will go from red to white, okay? So that's how we identify chlorine. Now, this is a little bit of a review from the previous episode, so I hope you've checked it out and you should be experts. So how do we check for carbon dioxide? We bubble the gas or shake the gas through an aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide. That's also known as lime water. And that solution goes from clear to cloudy, okay? Now, the test for hydrogen, we take a lit splint and we put it at the end of a test tube containing the gas we want to test. And if the gas is hydrogen, we make a nice little squeaky pop, okay? For oxygen, we are glowing. We take a glowing splint and we insert it into the test tube. And if the gas is oxygen, that splint's going to relight, okay? So those were 4 gases we went through. Can we remember all of those tests? So we've got chlorine, that was damp litmus paper into a test tube. What colour does the litmus paper turn? It's going to go white. What do we do for carbon dioxide? We bubble it through lime water, and that lime water turns cloudy. What about for oxygen? What do we do there? We take a glowing splint and we put it into the tube, and that splint relights. Hydrogen, we take a lit splint, we put it into the mouth of the test tube, and we get a squeaky pop, squeaky pop. That's what we get for hydrogen. That's the best one, like that's the funnest one to do. But all 4 are important, so make sure you know them, okay? So, to review real quick, squeaky pop for hydrogen, litmus paper turns white for chlorine, glowing splint relights for oxygen, and lime water turns cloudy for carbon dioxide, okay? So, I hope that was a useful episode for you, and hopefully it reviewed a lot of key concepts. These questions come up a lot in your exam, so make sure you know these tests. Consolidate it through reading, going through the learning module online, whatever's going to get you that grade you deserve. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you on the next episode.